Hi guys, come let's make some ackee and chicken back. First thing first, I clean, wash, then I cut the chicken back in small pieces and season. I do have a video with how I season the chicken back, and I'll post it after I post this one. After I season, I then fry the skin from the chicken so I could get that oil to fry the chicken in. And the reason for that is that oil holds a lot of flavor. I fried the chicken on all sides until they were fried crispy because I like it this way. Some persons, what they do is stew the chicken back and then add the ackee. But for me, I like when they are fried dry. While frying the chicken, I gathered my onion, tomato, and bell peppers, washed them, and then cut them in small pieces. So that was onion, tomato, red and green bell peppers. I also had some scotch bonnet peppers. The seed was there because I like it a little spicy. I also add some chopped garlic to my seasoning with some thyme leaf. After all the seasonings were ready, I removed the second batch of chicken back from the pot. Then add my seasoning to that same pot. Saute the seasoning for about 3 minutes before I add the chicken back that was removed from the oil. I did forget that I used some tomato sauce. You can use ketchup if that's your choice. Then I add a little all-purpose, and that's optional. I like when whatever I'm cooking with ackee, I have a little salt taste, just like the saltfish or the corn pork. So that's my reason for adding the all-purpose. Then I'm gonna just saute the chicken along with the seasoning that I made earlier. I'm also gonna add a little water, not too much water. This is some water from the dumpling pot, but you can also use some warm water and just add a little. Then you're gonna cover the pot and let it steam for maybe like 5 minutes, and then you turn the heat on low. After that 5 minutes, you're gonna add the ackee to the pot. If you did add a lot of water to the chicken back, you can let that water go right down to gravy before you add the ackee. Then I add some black pepper to that ackee and combine them all together. The ackee was a little soft, so I didn't want to stir too much. So what I did was grab the pot and just shake it up a little, just to combine everything together evenly. After everything was combined, I cover for another minute or two, and that was the